QNAP myQNAPcloud honest review and user experience. Is it worth using? If you ever wanted to access your NAPNAS remotely, myQNAPcloud promises an easy solution. But does it really deliver? I've spent weeks testing it, and here's my honest experience. Most people get this wrong, assuming myQNAPcloud is just a storage app. The surprising truth is it's a complete cloud gateway allowing secure remote access, file sharing, and even multimedia streaming without exposing your NAS directly to the internet. Getting started is straightforward. After setting up an NAS, you enable myQNAPcloud, create an account, and link your device. Portal guides you through dynamic DN setup, security configurations, and access permissions. I found this process intuitive, even for users who aren't tech-savvy. One standout feature is remote access. From any device, laptop, smartphone, or tablet, you can browse files, stream videos, or upload documents. I tested streaming videos, and performance was smooth on both Wi-Fi and mobile networks. Security is solid. Two-factor authentication and SO encryption protect your data, and you can set up granular permissions for different users. Notifications alert you of login attempts or suspicious activity, which adds peace of mind. The mobile app complements the web portal, offering on-the-go access, real-time file synchronization, and media playback. You can also integrate with ThysSync for automatic syncing across devices. Pricing is flexible. Basic myQNAPcloud features are free, but premium services like cloud backup or enhanced remote access require a subscription. For those heavily invested in NAP hardware, the cost is reasonable compared to alternatives. The only downside is occasional lag during peak hours, especially when accessing large files from distant locations. However, proper network optimization can mitigate this. In conclusion, myQNAPcloud is a valuable tool for NAPNAS users who want secure, convenient remote access. If you need easy file management, media streaming, and collaboration from anywhere, it's worth considering. Just make sure to set up security features properly.